This is a drink called cheesecake in a glass. I know, can you believe it? There's no cheese in it, but it's amazing. And it has the most exquisite ingredients on the planet. Ginger, turmeric, coconut yogurt, and fresh lemon juice. It's that simple. It's a maple syrup just to bring it home. So all you've got to do is add the ginger to your Vitamix along with the turmeric to your Vitamix. That was a bit too much, Cynthia. And then your coconut yogurt. And then make sure you lick that spatula and sit it there. Lemon juice. And I'm gonna need some maple syrup. How did this recipe make it into my new cookbook? Well, the story is in the recipe. It's quite magnificent. And how is it called? Cheesecake in a glass. You have to get my book to have a look because every recipe is filled with amazing stories of my friends and people that I've met over the years that have inspired me to make certain things like this. Ice, a lot of ice. Salt, super important. Building blocks of flavour. It will bring out a magnificent richness out of all of this. And then you're going to blend this down in high-speed blender till it's creamy, rich, and slushy cheesecake-like. This is when you taste it and you go, oh my God, it's that good. No, really, it's really good. And then you adjust if you want any more maple or if you don't, or you do, it depends how sweet you want it. But this is divine. Yum.
It's almost like ice cream.
It's totally like ice cream, but better, so much better. And then navigate your way of taking it out of the Vitamix. And then, I know, the hardest part, and then straight into a glass and let it just tumble and spill everywhere because really, why not? It is exactly like ice cream and it is exactly like cheesecake for some reason. It's definitely the coconut yogurt and the mixture of maple. I'm sorry, but that is just like the most epic thing I've ever made. That's it. Look at that little milky lushness going on down there. Oh my God. I can't explain how delicious this is. Anyway, this one and many others are in my new cookbook. I know, right? You're gonna love this. Cheesecake in a glass. The whole story is underneath the recipe in the book. And you must make that sound. Click the link below, grab the book. You're gonna love it. It's so cool.